Hey, if you want to scan documents on your Android phone, first you have to go to the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Scan Documents. And I can recommend you to use this application, Adobe Scan. So click on it and tap Install. This application is free, you don't have to pay for it. Now you just have to wait until the download will be finished. And I'm gonna scan data from my Huawei earbuds box. Okay, as you can see, in my case, for some reason, the download is okay right now. It is downloading. I was about to say that it stopped for some reason, but everything is fine. And right now we have to sign in with our Google account. We can sign in with the Facebook or, for example, with the Apple. So you can decide. I'm gonna sign in with the Google account. I have to select my account, so I want to this one. Here we have to create the account. So I'm gonna stay like this, and the birthday, the last name, we don't need to input the last name, and yeah, that's all. You can also change your region by tapping right here, and then you can just tap to create account. Okay, it looks like we have to input the last name. Let's try to create account right now. You don't have to input any password because you are logging via the Google account. Okay, and as you can see right now, we have to accept every permission that is right now popping on the screen. And now we have to tap the screen when we are ready to scan. So let's do this. Let's tap on the screen, and now let's try to scan our document. As you can see, it is automatically adjust the size of the document to these dots. And as you can see, the frame show us what arena will be selected. And you can also manually adjust this blue lines to set it to your own preferences, but in my case it's fine. I can scan it like that. Here you can also rotate the document if you want. You can add some filters if you want. For example, it will be like more visible with these filters. You can also manually adjust some parameters like the brightness, the contrast. You can also make some cleanup, but I'm gonna skip this one actually. We can mark up something if you want, and to save, just click here to save to the PDF file. And as you can see right now, it's located right here. And if you want to locate on the storage of your phone, you have to open the Google Files, and then you can go to the internal storage, and I guess it will be located in the pictures. No, it's not, so we have to just search for it. That's not in the camera. I'm not sure if I save it actually. Okay, we have to click on the right bottom corner and tap to save pages as photo. Okay, it has been saved to my photos right now. So it looks like, yeah, right now it appears right here in this folder called the Adobe Scan Exports. So if you want to share this this document scan, you can simply do this by going right here for this internal storage, going to this pictures, click on it, and to share you can tap just right here. And yeah, that's all. Bye.